Good morning. It's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. And while you're clicking buttons, click thumbs up. I need more engagement. The comments are great too. Thumbs up, engagement, comment. My engagement went down. Like, what? Doom pile project. That's all I'm gonna be doing. Like, we are not buying new stuff. I really want to do. Facebook sucks. So it's like 9 new things in Marketplace, and I just clicked it. Somebody was giving away stuff, and I'm like, nope. No. We have lots of stuff here that have been given away that I still haven't gotten to. And it's like, nope. We got to get to it. We got to get it done. So that's what this whole year will probably be. Except the exception being the July All City sale. I'm doing this because I touched up my nails. I want to be pretty now. I really like this nail polish. And I put it on and I went, I'm going to always wear it now. I don't know why. It'll probably wear off after a while. But right now, this is my new signature. This is not black, by the way. This is super dark purple. That is a dupe for, back in the day, Chanel's Vamp. They don't make it anymore. But this is like a really close second. And I love it. I never could afford the Chanel. I probably could have at some point. Just seems like a lot of money for nail polish. This is not spendy at all. But anyway, that's why I'm like, oh, it's still a little, I don't want to. Today, I got this. Remember this? No? It was $2. I bought it. I don't like the dark. It's like the birdhouse that we did, the metal birdhouse, not too many videos ago. And instead of doing a dry brush on this, Donna had suggested on that one to paint it full and then do like a dark glaze over it. We're gonna do that on this to bring out the detail. I like this. I love copper. Copper is like my favorite metal color. So this sort of coppery sheen to it works for me, but it's very dark. And it's just not what people are looking for anymore. So we're going to give it a little update with some white paint and make it pretty, glaze it up, bring out the detail. And it's just a wall hanging, and it can be hung at an angle like this, and it can be hung like this. There's 2 different hangers on it. So we'll get it painted up and it'll go in the booth. I don't know. I just got to get this stuff done, y'all. Like, get it done. Get it done. For those of you who are like, no, leave it like it is. It is not in great condition. So you can see that there's like scratches and all that good stuff on it. So we are going to need to use a high adhesive primer because this is a glossy metal and we're not spray painting it. So we need to get a high adhesive primer on it. Do I know where that is at the moment? No. But it is somewhere in this room. And by George, we will find it. Let me find it. Let my nails dry. And then I will switch you guys around so that you're looking down at the surface and you can see what I'm doing. But that's it. All this year, we're going to be working on the old stuff. There's enough in this room. Probably keep this channel going till next year. Let's see how far we can get. Right? Let's do it. Let's do. As I'm cleaning off my surfaces, we're gonna do this little bad boy at some point too. Just heads up. So if you guys have a suggestion on, I have run out of cleaner. So a way to remove tarnish, like homemade remedies, and we'll give most voted on in the comments below, we'll give that one a try. Now, I've seen many different methods, from lemons to ketchup to the one I see that's most popular is boiling water and baking soda and aluminum foil. If you want me to try that one, let me know in the comments below. We will try and clean this little guy up because it's a salt server and it needs love, and I ran out of polish. All right, first things first, we are going to sand it a bit. There's some corrosion. Looks like, yeah, this is the corner. Yeah, that's the corner. There's a little corrosion on it. Also, so I'm going to get it close so you can see, like, the whole thing needs love. It's not in really great condition. So I'm not just like, I just don't like the color. It's due for a makeover. It was due for a makeover like a long time ago. Yeah, it was pretty gross. All right, this is a clear primer. It is going to need a new can. I've got a couple of cans of this clear primer. Probably just going to put into a new can and not have to deal with all this rust, and it doesn't want to seal properly. But this is Junk Gypsy's primer. I don't even know if they still make paint, to be honest. I used to sell this stuff. I have a butt ton of it left, so we are going to use it up. This is everything I didn't sell. I no longer sell paint. I'm going to let this dry, and then we will get a coat of white on it. But you don't need that much. This will stay sticky. I hate the bubbles. That's what I always hated about this primer. It leaves these bubbles. There's not a darn thing you can do about it. Let's let it dry. All right, it's dry. And we've got our white paint, and I am going to coat the whole thing in the white completely this time, not dry brushing. We are covering. Get rid of all the nastiness and all the icky. With a texture like this, you have no choice but to do back and forth on different angles. And then when you're done, you can smooth it all out. But if you're like, why is she just randomly coating it? Because of all the different indents and stuff. I know, I just dripped all over the place. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry and see if I think it needs another coat. But right now I think it looks all right. I don't know. We'll see in a minute. When it's dry, pick it up, move it around. There's a couple little spots over here I might touch up. Sure looks pretty white. I guess I didn't realize how pretty that was gonna look white. Let's give that a second to dry and we'll come back to it. Okay, it is dry, but it's definitely gonna need another coat. So like on the edges here, you can see, I don't know, maybe you can't see. I can't see what you see. Well, the edges need a better coat, and then here, the paint didn't cover like it really should. So it's gonna need another coat. Because even if I put a glaze over it, I would still see this is kind of a streaky mess, and I wouldn't like it, and I'd be upset. So we're doing it right. All right, now I'm going to stop playing with it. Stop playing with it. And then when it dries, we're going to glaze it. That should be good. All right, it is dry. I have a damp cloth. and a brush, and I've got the aged glaze, not the smoked glaze. I'm not a fan of the smoked. I guess it has its place, but hopefully this will just bring out all the detail. Margot. Yeah, let's pull it off there. Should just stay in the details then. I want to get it as clean as possible here on the edges. Let's see. I might have wiped it off too much. I want to leave that detail showing. Now, this ends up being like a rag rolling thing when I patting it, and I lost all the detail. Now it's like all gone right there. It's just gone. Okay. Come on, Stacy. Get it in there. Get in there. Okay. That's better. Where's the hanger? So I'm hanging it that way. Should I stop now? Because it hangs like that at an angle, or this is the bottom if you hang it, the hanger's up there. Yeah, I don't hate it. I think that's going to be it. Yeah, I had to put a sweater on. I'm cold. My husband tells me it's not cold. To you. Anyway. Another doom pile project down. I don't hate it. It's not my absolute favorite thing in the whole world. But then again, it wasn't my absolute favorite thing when I bought it. So I think it'll be cute. Just hanging on the wall. Kind of have a little, I don't know. It's just art. It's gotta dry. I don't want to touch it till it's dry. But it's getting a price tag, whatever it is. It's getting a price tag and it's getting in the booth. So yeah. What's next? What are we doing next? There's so much in here. It's almost overwhelming to try and pick something. Like each day I come in here and I'm like, and I try not to, I have to remind myself, okay, don't get bent out of shape about it. Just pick something and follow through. It's not easy for me because the reason these are in the doom pile was I lost interest in them. And the interest didn't spark back up because I'm doing this. It's just, it's still not there, but it's got to get done. We got to do it. So whether I love the project in the end or not, they need to get out the door and on the floor. Otherwise, they are costing me money. They're no longer going to make me money. They're going to cost me money. Every year that they've sat in here, they've cost me money. So, yay! I'm happy. I'm always happy to get another project finished. And it'll be nice to have options as far as, you know, things hanging on the wall. It'll be nice. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.